Hi, my name is Justin Conway. Today I'm going to explain how to insert columns into only selected text in Microsoft Word. The reason you might want to do this is if you have a long-running document and at some point, maybe in a newsletter sort of format, you'd want to have certain things divided in the middle of the page or somewhere in your document, separate things in the page. And if you just select to have columns in the Microsoft Word document, generally, it'll be the entire document. So if you just want that selected text, this is the way to do it. First you go and select the text that you want to add to. So let's take those three sort of paragraphy looking areas there. Go to Format, Columns, and let's select two. Let's say we're going to make two columns. Down here at the bottom it'll say Apply To. And as you can see, it's selected text, which is exactly what we want. It's pretty much all set up for you. Hit OK, and you can see that it's divided out. The other way to do this really quickly is just to insert a table. If you go to Table, Insert, and you just add a two-column table, add two columns and one row. Let's just take a little text here, pop it in there, and form your own columns. And then you can take away the border if you'd like to. So that's how to create columns over only highlighted text in Microsoft Word if you'd like to separate that area from the rest of the text or images in your Microsoft Word document. My name is Justin Conway. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.